Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Without this chain, even the largest ships on Earth would be helpless against the ocean's fury.
Anchor chains are the only connection between a massive ship and the stability of the ocean floor.
A ship's anchor chain creates friction and weight resistance to hold vessels against powerful ocean forces. One anchor chain must withstand millions of pounds of force from the ship, waves, and currents.
One mega ship carries billions in cargo and thousands of lives, all depending on this single chain.
Anchor chains protect global trade, preventing disasters that would disrupt supply chains worldwide.
Welcome to Vault of Civilizations, Marines. Witness how raw steel becomes the chain that holds the world's largest ships.
Welcome to Vault of Civilizations, and today we enter the world's most incredible anchor chain factory on Earth. Every massive anchor chain starts with carefully selected high-strength steel designed to survive extreme ocean forces.
Before a single piece of metal is shaped, advanced technology designs these ocean giants with precision. Precision is everything, because even a small weakness could put a massive ship in danger. Inside this factory, every movement is carefully planned, because these materials are heavier than many vehicles. The first manufacturing step begins as raw steel is transformed into precisely measured pieces for anchor links. Each piece must match exact measurements to create a chain capable of handling unbelievable pressure.
To reshape this powerful metal, the steel must be heated to extreme temperatures until it becomes flexible.
Advanced temperature control ensures the steel reaches the perfect condition for forging and shaping. At this stage, ordinary steel begins its transformation into one of the strongest marine components ever created.
Thousands of tons of force bend the heated steel into the legendary shape of a ship anchor link. Although machines provide the power, skilled factory workers control every critical step of this process.
The connection point is one of the most important parts, because every link must support massive ships.
Inside Vault of Civilizations, technology ensures every link meets the highest safety standards.
The finishing process removes imperfections and prepares each link for a lifetime of ocean battles.
One link may look simple, but thousands combine to create chains longer than buildings. Moving these chains requires some of the strongest lifting equipment ever built on Earth. This factory produces marine equipment powerful enough to control the largest vessels on Earth. Before these chains ever touch the ocean, they must pass dozens of rigorous inspections. This is the beginning of an incredible journey, and now giant chains undergo extreme strengthening processes. After forming giant links, they need strengthening to survive years of pulling beneath the ocean. Special heat treatment changes the steel's internal structure, creating incredible strength and durability. Every second matters, because the perfect balance between hardness and flexibility determines chain life.
After extreme heating and cooling, these links are ready for the next stage of industrial perfection.
Before being trusted by the world's largest ships, every link must prove it can handle unbelievable forces.
Advanced technology allows engineers to see exactly how these giant structures react under extreme conditions.
These tests simulate powerful forces when massive ships fight against ocean currents and storms.
Even the smallest piece of steel is analyzed to guarantee maximum reliability and safety.
Human experience remains a critical part of producing these engineering masterpieces.
Every link represents human engineering and innovation at its highest level.
Now individual pieces become one powerful system designed for the largest vessels on Earth.
Every connection point receives meticulous attention because chain strength depends on the entire structure. From above, these chains look like giant steel rivers inside a modern industrial world.
Salt water is steel's greatest enemy, so special protection is added before these chains enter the sea. Advanced coating helps anchor chains survive harsh marine environments for many years. Every centimeter is checked because the ocean never stops challenging these structures. Precision measurements are essential because every ship requires a chain designed for its exact purpose. Behind every giant anchor chain is engineering, technology, and thousands of skilled work hours. After months of manufacturing, these ocean giants are finally ready to leave the factory.
At Vault of Civilizations, we uncovered how raw steel becomes powerful ship anchor chains.
After months of engineering, these giant chains begin the next dangerous journey to the world's shipyards. Moving chains weighing hundreds of tons requires powerful machines and perfect coordination between workers.
Before installation begins, engineers prepare the ship to handle the anchor system's enormous weight.
The anchor and chain must work as one powerful system to hold thousands of ship tons. Installation requires extreme precision because this connection faces tremendous pressure during operation.
Every movement is carefully controlled as hundreds of tons of steel are positioned onto the vessel.
Deep inside the ship, the anchor chain must be stored perfectly for smooth ocean operations.
Powerful machines control anchor chain movement, lowering and lifting it during ocean operations.
Before the ship enters open water, every part of the anchor system must perform flawlessly.
Modern ships combine traditional steel engineering with advanced computer monitoring systems.
After a long manufacturing journey, this giant chain is finally ready for its real purpose. These ships carry billions in cargo, and their safety depends on this incredible steel chain. When storms arrive and oceans become dangerous, these chains become the ship's connection to stability. When the captain needs to stop the vessel, thousands of kilograms of steel descend within minutes.
The anchor chain spreads across the ocean floor, creating the resistance needed to hold massive ships.
Far below the surface, this silent giant continues protecting ships from powerful ocean currents.
Every link represents human engineering and innovation at its highest level.
The journey of this incredible anchor chain began with raw steel and ended as a lifeline.
Every layer of protection helps this steel giant survive saltwater, storms, and extreme ocean conditions. Modern vessels rely on advanced technology to control these powerful mechanical systems with precision.
Before every major voyage, crews test the equipment that could one day protect the entire vessel.
Testing proves every link, every weld, and every connection can handle the enormous forces of the sea.
Beneath the waves, this massive steel structure performs a task requiring incredible engineering. The weight, design, and strength of the chain create the holding power needed to stabilize giant ships.
During extreme weather, these chains become the final defense between a ship and disaster. While one chain protects a ship at sea, another is already being created for the next ocean giant.
The production never stops, as global shipping depends on these incredible steel creations.
Every new chain must pass powerful tests before receiving approval for the world's largest vessels.
Even the smallest details are checked because perfection is required when lives depend on these chains. Behind every giant ship is a hidden industrial world filled with engineering, technology, and dedication.
From factory floors to endless oceans, this journey connects human innovation with the power of nature.
We discovered the incredible story behind one of the strongest structures ever created for the marine world.
Double check the caliper reading. It must be exact.
It is, sir. Flawless. Ready for the vault.
These giant vessels carry the future of global trade, and their safety depends on engineering hidden beneath the surface.
The story of these anchor chains is a story of human creativity, precision, and unstoppable progress.
What looks like a simple chain is a masterpiece of engineering, powerful enough to control ocean giants.
Stay with Vault of Civilizations for more unbelievable stories of human engineering and innovation.
So hello guys, today we discover about this anchor chain, and today I am telling you about the world's largest ships depend on giant anchor chains to stay safe in ports, deep oceans, and during powerful storms. In this documentary, World Civilization takes you inside a massive anchor chain factory to reveal the complete manufacturing process from start to the finish. You will see how high quality steel is selected, cut, heated in giant furnaces, forked into huge chain links, welded, heat treated, tested, coated, and carefully inspected before leaving the factory. The journey continues as these enormous chains are transported to a shipyard connected to the giant anchors and installed on some of the biggest cargo ships in the world. You will also discover how the anchor ship systems works beneath the ocean to keep these massive steel vessels secure against strong winds, waves, and currents. Every step is explained in simple language with realistic factory scenes, heavy machinery, skilled workers, and amazing engineering. This documentary shows the technology, teamwork, and precision required to building one of the strongest marine products ever made. Whether you enjoy factory tours, heavy industry, shipbuilding, or modern engineering, this video offers an exciting behind the scenes look at the incredible process that keeps global shipping moving safely. Join World Civilization and explore another amazing manufacturing story from the world's greatest factories. If you like this documentary, kindly do like and subscribe World Civilization, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video. Yalla, bye bye.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.